What up, motherfuckers? Just here, working on the CRX, about to install a 2.5-inch open cutout by QTP, the company, right there. Just trying to mock things up right now. I need the car. You can see it sits kind of low right now because obviously it's being held by some bolts. But I already got them mocked up, lined up. As you can see here, this is the part of the test pipe here. There's the actual white pipe they call. So gonna get the white pipe welded onto the test pipe that I used to have. It's 2.5-inch. So what I did is just pretty much lined it up close as possible, and put 2 dimples on the actual exhaust pipe right here. You can barely see them, like where my thumb is, just to match them up right there. And on this side, same thing. I put 2 dimples on this side and 2 dimples on that flange side. So, and then use the permanent marker just to line up, because you could actually move this in and out, so at least get the right distance. So I want the right rotation as close as possible to the body. That motor will be right there without touching, so it won't be like too low to the ground and scrape this. So we'll see. I mean, it's all experimenting right now. If it doesn't work out, we'll just buy another white pipe and maybe rotate the other side. I just don't want to put it next to the chip linkages because I don't want to risk it hitting it or anything for that reason. So got this much space. So right now I'm just gonna take out the test pipe, and then this is the wideband sensor here. So I'm gonna take that out, take the test pipe, both flanges, and the white pipe to my friend, so he could weld it, and then wire all this up so I could actually have an electronic cutout, free up some exhaust, so we could see what happens, see how much, get this engine flowing, some more intake and exhaust flowing through it. So especially as it's a high compression motor, just try to get the most horsepower out of it. So we'll see. Oh, so you can see there it is, the flange, the wideband sensor, and the marks on there, line there, marks there. Gonna take it to my friend to get welded, and we'll test it out. So there it is, the pipe is installed, the flange is back there, the gasket. Here's the other flange, adjustable flange, go either left or right, rotating. It's all tight. The wideband here, facing upwards, go away from the ground. Install the motor upwards, since you already mocked it up, already mocked everything up. So not there obviously, so we have to rotate this way, I believe. Yeah. So obviously clear as much room. Try to make as much clearance from the ground because car is lowered. So put up the gasket. One of the bolts through the bottom, the holes here. Looking marked by the eye. Clearance by the. You can see the light right there. The clearance between the motor itself, the flange, and the body. Sure, there will be some flex here, so I'm gonna try to adjust it a little bit downwards. Give us at least ½ inch. Hola, bebé, ¿cómo estás?
Bueno.
Aquí estamos poniendo la pipa. Hola, dile hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo están?
¿Verdad?
Dile, ¿cómo es el turbo? Good job. ¿Y cómo es el carro? ¿Cómo es el ruido del carro? ¿Le qué hacen?
Ya
¿Estás bailando? A ver, baila, baila. Ay, brinca, 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 brinca. Wow, 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 wow. No se ve, ahí se ve ya. Ah, ¿viste? Good job.
Mira,
Mira,
no se ve.
sí se ve.
Ahí.
Sí. Uy, good job, man. Ok. ¿Qué tal fuiste a lavar los dientes? Crazy, Milan. Anyways, So yeah, I'm gonna leave it some, like at least a ½ inch of clearance here, just because I know the motor flexes and you don't want since the motor will flex and the exhaust moves up and down slightly, so I don't want it to be hitting on the body here, you know. So I'm gonna try to give it a little bit there, get that much clearance. Should be good. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tighten it up. So there it is, the test pipe well lid with the electronic exhaust cutout. Pretty much put it as close as possible to the body, so as soon as the motor flexes, it doesn't touch the body and vibrate off of it. So if anything, I might have to adjust a little bit lower, but trying to keep it as high as possible so it doesn't touch the ground. So I'm trying to keep the ground clearance away as much as possible. But other than that, just gotta wire up the actual wire here. Here's the wire. Just gotta route it up into the body here and into the engine bay and into the firewall. I can actually connect the switch. So you just need to route all this harness in the engine bay and give it power and ground inside the actual dash area. And here's the actual switch. So yeah, just gonna route this wiring and provide power and ground inside the car, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's all good. But yeah, QTP is the brand of the electronic cutout, so we'll test it out, see how it is. So pretty much had to get this wired up. I ended up putting terminals at the end of these open wires here for a ground wire and a positive wire. So I'm gonna use the fuse box as positive feed, and then one of the body grounds for the body, for the switch. Then I'm gonna drill a hole in one of these covers. You have it. Gonna take a bunch of the plastic off the back of this whole trim piece, but mounts on there good, so should be pretty good. So there it is, the aftermarket cooling fan switch next to the electric exhaust cutout switch. So it doesn't look too bad, whatever. Not the same style switches, but it's alright. So there it is, clearance between the body and the motor. It's kind of at least 4 inches, maybe 5 at most. So I just gotta make sure, just keep an eye on, not trying to run things over, but it should be fine. We'll see. We will see. I'm gonna test out the open cutout. Right now it's closed. Exhaust. Yeah, there you go. Open it up. A little pull. It's midnight already. And we got at least 5 people who responded to the hashtag blah blah blah. Brian, Allen, Ian Johnson, Overlanding Tundra, and Kuniotchi. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do random name picker off of the website. I just entered all 5 of those entries there. We're gonna do a random generator here. So here we go. See who the winner is. Kuniotchi is the winner. Kuniotchi, congratulations on the free face mask you're gonna be getting here. So Kuniotchi, thanks a lot for the entry. You are the winner. So there you have it. Kuniotchi is the winner of one of these masks that I'm gonna purchase off the website and have it shipped to his house. So yeah, pretty much thanks a lot for everyone who participated. Not a lot of people, but just a start of something small, you know. Hopefully in the future I'll probably have some other random little giveaways, like whatever stuff, small stuff like that, nothing big. But for now, just starting small, helping people out, get something free, you know, why not? But yeah, I'll get it shipped out to you as soon as I find out your address, Kuniotchi. But yeah, hit like, subscribe, and comment on the next video. Whatever, just share the videos if you want. Hopefully more content soon.